All right, everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how you can turn a square piece of paper into a kite. Now, the first thing I'm going to do with my paper is turn it so that it is a diamond. I want this point facing me, and there's going to be 2 points, one on the left and one on the right. We are going to take these points on the side and we are going to make them touch like they're clapping their hands together. Once I've got these points clapping their hands like this, I'm then going to pinch, 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 pinch all the way along here. I'm going to crease this. And now it makes a triangle. Now the next thing I'm going to do is open this back up. And now you can see there's a line going through the middle. This doesn't look like a kite shape yet. We have to do one more fold. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little flap over here and this little flap over here. Instead of making them clap their hands, this time they're going to curl in. These are going to curl. Now this is going to kind of start to look like an ice cream cone a little bit. So I'm curling them in. They're not coming flat, they're curling in, and they're going to meet up in the middle like this. Now your paper might not want to bend, so you might have to kind of get your fingers in there and kind of help it go. Okay, now I want these points to line up, and I want this whole side, I want this to touch as well. Because if this was actually an ice cream cone, we would not want the ice cream to drip out the bottom. All right, now once I got this in the shape that I want, I'm going to flatten it down. So I'm going to flatten this. And now I've got my kite shape. Now you can choose to glue this so that you can't see the folds, and then you could decorate this however you like. You could also leave it facing this direction. You can glue your flaps. You could put some glue in here and you could glue your flaps down. Or you could just leave them like this. It's up to you. So you can go ahead and make your kite, glue it onto a background paper, and then you can draw your kite string and you can make that line loop. You can make it zigzag. You could make it go in whichever direction you want. So go ahead and try this on your own, everybody. You will need some square sheets of construction paper for this. And remember to fold your paper, but first you have to turn it like a diamond. Make these 2 corners on the side, make them clap their hands. Fold it so it makes a triangle. Open it back up again. And then you take those 2 sides again, and this time they're going to curl in like they're giving each other a hug or making an ice cream cone. And once you've got them coming into the middle and make them touch, then you flatten it. So have fun making as many of these as you would like, and you can decorate them however you want to. You can add polka dots or stripes or animals. So have fun being creative with your kites.